Here we are at the 2 mile set. First inning. Haven't seen anything here. Something's been eating the corn though, so got a north wind tonight. Perfect for this stand. I can't hunt any other Mustangs with the north wind, so this is my only option. We'll see what happens tonight. Thanks. Big 250-pound boar shot November 25th, right at last light. He probably went a good 300 yards from where I shot him. He's got 1.5 inch teeth though. Biggest boar I've shot so far, biggest pig I've shot so far.